Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the Geekbenchmark 5 comparison between the Poco F3 GT and the OnePlus Nord 2 device after using more than 10 days of time. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to make a comparison between the Geekbenchmark 5 only. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect between both phones. And right now during this process of demonstration, I'm not trying to use any high performance mode, I'm not trying to use any game enhancement, nothing. Just only Geekbenchmark 5 application I'll try to run between both phones. Let's see how much difference we can actually expect between both devices. And right now I did use plenty of storage as well. I did install a lot of games and a lot of applications in these phones. Now it's a good time to test what happens after a certain amount of time. What will be the scores? We'll try to compare before versus now, how much the scores can be different. So let me just start the test at same time in both phones. So both phones Geekbenchmark 5 has been started at same time. So now we'll get to know the results, what happens next. So in case if you want me to do any other comparison side by side, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of comparisons as soon as possible. So right now, as you can see friends, the Poco F3 GT, the results are completely out here. As you can see, you can compare the single core. So without using any kind of high performance mode and without using any kind of gain space, without using any kind of enhancement options. So these are the results which we got right now with the OnePlus Nord 2 812 and Poco F3 GT 824 single core, and the multi-core 2880 and the multi-core is of 2394, as you can see, without using any performance mode. If you use high performance mode, the results will be different. That's the reason I'm trying to mention again and again, without using any high performance mode, these are the results which we got right now. And let me show you the history, what it is in between both phones, what is the highest and what is the lowest. That is what I'm going to exactly compare. The highest, I think, in the OnePlus Nord 2, we did get close to, I think, 3324 is the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, this phone can achieve that kind of high scores only if you try to use a high performance mode. Only then it's possible. Otherwise, it's not possible to achieve that kind of high performance in this phone. In the Poco F3 GT, the highest score I got about 2944. As you can see, this is the highest score in the Poco F3 GT device. As you can see, friends, it's a quick comparison between both phones. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review between the both devices in terms of the Geekbenchmark 5 scores comparisons. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below friends. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.